Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Telegram account without phone number. So guys, if you want to use your Telegram without phone number, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your Telegram, and guys, here you can see when I am going to open my Telegram, here you need to put your phone number. So guys, don't worry, I'll tell you what you need to do. Simply you need to go back, and guys, you need to open any internet browser in your phone. So guys, after opening internet browser, then guys, here you need to search stamp phone number, and guys, after searching it you need to find this website tampnumber.com. You need to open this one, and guys, from here you will find many of countries. So guys, simply you need to select any country. So guys, for example, I am going to select France. You need to open this one, and guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see, you will find many of numbers here. So guys, you need to open any one. So guys, for example, I am going to open this one, and guys, after opening it, you need to copy this number. As you can see, I have copied that number, and guys, you need to open back, and guys, after this, from here you need to select your country, that is France, that I have copied phone number. So guys, simply you need to copy and paste here your phone number that you have copied, and guys, after this, simply you need to click on continue. And guys, when you have clicking on continue, then guys, you will find here an OTP like this. So guys, here you will find OTP. Simply you need to find that OTP, copy that OTP and paste you in your Telegram account, and guys, your account will be created successfully. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.